Up until this module, perhaps you only knew of a few pricing strategies. And it's possible your chosen plan was one of the following: the wildly popular pin the price on the prospect method, or the ever so exotic little bit of this, little bit of that technique. You get $10 an hour, you get $25 an hour, everybody gets $10 an hour. Perhaps you've dabbled a time or two with the feelings fee. I feel like I'm charging you too much. Now, I'm not judging, because my strategy when I started was the coveted how low can you go tactic. All very terrible techniques, I'm sorry to say. You may have had a moment where you said to yourself, wow, there are a lot of determining factors that go into my rates. I am undercharging. Yes, you are. You may have a classic case of undercharging-itis. Yep, I think that's the official term.